Welcome back to Amazing Model Cars. This is my newest model car. You can probably see the little logo. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but if you know what that logo is, then you know what's coming. So let me get it out of the bubble wrap and I'll be back in a couple of seconds. Alright, it's out of the bubble wrap. This is the 1/18th Bugatti Veyron Super Sport with all that stuff, made by Autoart. So if we look around the box, the front has the Bugatti logo and a very nice sticker. This side is blank, the back is blank. This side has Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Super Sport, black, orange skirts, all models individually numbered. The top is blank, and the bottom has all that stuff which nobody really cares about. I just, real quick, like to compare it to the Autoart Aventador box. And I really like the Bugatti a lot more because the Aventador, although it's a cool design, I like the Bugatti one better because it's a lot simpler and it's blue instead of this just plain old gloss black. So, let's get this box opened and let's pull out the car. This box was a lot easier to open than the Aventador one also. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, the camera's falling. But it's all good. So, first thing, we got these little things. So we have the certificate of authenticity. I have number 1314. Which is a pretty cool number. It's 1314. And there's this little booklet, instructions, and this just has some pictures of the car and some information about the real car and how they make the model car. So that's pretty cool too. So now let me just unscrew this and we will be back in a moment. Alright, it's unscrewed, so let's clear that stuff. And let's, you know what? No, we're not going to open that yet. Because up on the top, we have the engine cover. So let's take that out real quick. A little styrofoam piece that kind of holds it in place. This feels very high quality, which it should be because this was not exactly a cheap model car. Wow. Alright, now we can take a look at the actual car itself. And let's prepare to be amazed when we open this box. Wow. This is absolutely amazing. The camera does not justify it. This model, oh my gosh, I'm gonna take it out of the box. Here we go. Oh, that sound is kind of annoying. Oh, no more creaking. Okay, let's clear all that stuff. Wow. Not going to do much because there will be a review of this model next week. But as you can see, the engine is open right there, and this just magnets on so easily. This is very impressive, even for Autoart. This is astounding. Wow. That is crazy. Now, real quick before I end the video, I promised that if you guessed what car I was going to get and you got it right, that you would get a shout out. So, shout out to Porsche Carrera he guessed that it would be the Autoart Bugatti Veyron. And it's an Autoart Bugatti Veyron Super Sport, but close enough. So, shout out to you. Go subscribe to Porsche Carrera, because he's just an awesome guy. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week on Amazing Model Cars. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.